Hi everyone, welcome to Module 5, the Final Portfolio. This is our last module for the course, and it is going to walk you through creating your final portfolio, which is your final exam for the course. So the goal of this module is to showcase your growth as a writer and as a researcher that you've developed over the course of the semester. For a course like 102, testing on these skills is difficult and really impractical, so we assign the final portfolio, which is meant to serve as evidence for how you met the course requirements and how you developed researching and writing skills that can transfer to your career and your collegiate goals. Hopefully, it'll also prove to yourself that you do have what it takes to research and to write about those ideas completely and clearly. So in this module, you will write a brief reflection essay that discusses how you met the course outcomes. You need to be specific and use examples of which assignments help you meet them. You're going to attach your revised research essay, and you're going to find and attach one other piece of writing that you feel demonstrates your growth as a researcher and as a writer throughout the semester. So all of these documents will be in one Word document. It needs to be in a consistent font, which is Times New Roman, 12 point, and remember that this is your final exam. So here's how this module is going to look. Week 15 is dead week, so there are no due dates, but these are the things you need to be doing. You need to watch this video, and you need to watch the instructions on assembling the final portfolio. I'm going to go in depth a little more about each of the assignments that go into the portfolio and how you can put those things together. And then this week you'll need to write your reflection essay, and you'll need to choose that additional piece of writing that you feel demonstrates your growth. Okay, and then next week is exam week, and I have posted a final video which you will watch, and then you will submit your final portfolio on Canvas by December 10th by noon. So that's 12 o'clock p.m. noon. And I want to hit this. I've given you the last possible date for exams because I know that you have other exams, probably exams that are maybe more difficult to prepare and study for. And I wanted you to have as much time as you needed. And I myself will be testing in 3 different areas as well this week. So please understand that because this is the last day, I must have the portfolios by noon because USM grades are due Monday morning. So it's a very quick turnaround for me, but all of the work and effort you put into the course, you deserve to have the space and the time that you need to get this final exam done. So again, please have these portfolios turned in by noon on Friday, or else I'm not going to be able to accept them and promise the same type of grading, okay? So there will be docked points if it's late because this is the final exam and you've had so long to do it, okay? So lastly, before I log off on the Module 5 assignment sheet, we've talked about all of these things. Remember, in the next video, I'm going to go into depth about the reflection essay and that additional piece of writing. You have already done this. You'll just attach it. But for this video, I wanted to emphasize how grateful I have been to be a part of your career and collegiate journey. And I'm so pleased to have known you, though briefly and virtually, and to have written with you and to have offered you support, hopefully enough support that you needed to make this course not only beneficial, but to give you a fresh experience with reading, writing, and researching. And I really also want to say how especially grateful I am for the generosity, the care, and the kindness that you've shown me from the beginning with the hospitalization and illness of my son to everything else that this semester has brought on my plate and on your plate. I know that we've kind of walked through several levels of hell and back, Dante's Inferno reference there. So thank you from my bones for your patience and understanding during this semester. I hope that despite my lack of engagement in those first few weeks, and as I've kind of shifted my focus to really studying for my comprehensive exams, that you still feel that this course is giving you those skills you can use beyond the classroom. And if not, I hope then that at the very least you were able to simply experience guidance by an instructor that cares more for your well-being than for what you can produce in the course. That's my heart to your heart. I'm very grateful to have taught you, to have known you, and thank you again for all of your time and your hard work. So enough of the sentimentalities. Go forth, live right, achieve your goals, and I'll see you when I see you.